Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. I just finished a combination card and mini album project, so I'm going to show it to you quickly. This is an envelope box, I guess they call them. It's a dimensional box that I made for the card, and on the front I have a little flower that I made with a button. There's a little leaf and another little embellishment here, and then I just punched the border on the front of the box. I've got some little pearls here, another punched border, and on the back I have a card or a tag, and you can write the person's name who this is for. And then I've got some more little flowers here, a little leaf, and some little pearls in the corners. Now most of this was made with Heartfelt Creations, and I can't remember what the name of the paper pad is, but I will I'll mention it below in the description of this video. But the paper that I used for the envelope though isn't Heartfelt Creations, but this is. So I'm going to open the envelope, and I have this closed with a magnet, just like that. And here is the card. And I use the Heartfelt Creations Borders and Pockets die, I think it's called. And then again I made another flower with a button, and that's similar to this one. I just used a punch, and I punched 2 layers of petals, and then I added some fabric petals underneath, and again a large leaf. And this is the beautiful Heartfelt Creations paper underneath here, and I've got some little strings of plastic pearls on the front, so it's very simple. On the inside I have Heartfelt Creations tag that I cut out, and I matted with some pink cardstock, and I attached this on the inside. And here's where you can write your message. It's a parchment type paper, so there's 3 pages that you can write on. And on the back, this was inspired by, I think her name is Emma Lou, and she's with Heartfelt Creations, and she did a YouTube video on one of the flip folds, and she was showing how to attach the flip folds into your mini albums. But at the end of her video she also shows how to make a combination greeting card mini album, and this is a flip fold that she used on the back. I made mine different on the front. I chose this format instead. But on the back, I really liked how this flip fold was, how this flip fold worked. But I didn't have a flip fold, so I made my own. So I made it a little bit narrower. I was able to choose the dimensions that I wanted. So I'm going to include a link that shows how to assemble the flip fold. So if you have one, you can just follow her directions, and if not, well, you can pretty much just cut out your own pieces in the size that you want and assemble them. She shows how to assemble the flip fold. So this is the back flap that opens. So here you can put a photo, another photo here, and this is the Heartfelt Creations paper again. It's beautiful. And then you can write a little note here. And this is paper that I had in my stash, and so is this. And then here, this was a waterfall, and I made mine smaller, and I used again the Heartfelt Creations paper pad to make the to mat the pages, but on the back I just left that plain for journaling. So that is my mini album greeting card. So it makes a nice little gift, and you can customize it by already adding your photos in, or if there's a special birthday coming up or any special event, you can make it in that event's theme, and then you include the little mini album at the back, and the person can add their own photos as they want. So like I said, I'll include a link to the Heartfelt Creations video that shows how to assemble the flip fold. And at the end of the video, you'll see how she made it into a greeting card, or you can just make a plain greeting card on the front like I did. Have a nice day. Happy scrapping. Bye.